Mod Duo Cordless 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum Cleaner, 25.2V Lithium-ion Battery MV202. Perfect for hard floors and low-pile carpets. Cordless design, powered by a 25.2V Samsung lithium-ion battery and a 150W powerful DC motor. This vacuum provides great suction while at the same time up to 50 minutes running time at low mode and 20 minutes at high mode for cord-free cleaning. Swivel steering. Equipped with swivel steering and motorized nozzle with LED lights, the vacuum maneuvers effortlessly and cleans floors and dark corners with ease. Two-way foldable handle. With one touch of button, the handle folds two-way easily for either easy under furniture cleaning or storage. Converts to hand vacuum. With pressing of release button, the vacuum converts to a hand vacuum easily for above floor cleaning with crevice tool and dusting brush. Powered by 25.2V Samsung lithium-ion battery and a powerful 150W DC motor, the Mod Duo 2-in-1 cordless stick vacuum provides great suction power while at the same time up to 50 minutes running time at low mode and 20 minutes at high mode, which is perfect for cleaning hard floors and low-pile carpets. The two-way foldable handle is well designed for under furniture cleaning and perfect for storage. With swivel steering and motorized nozzle with LED, the vacuum cleans floors and dark corners with great maneuverability. And with fingertip suction control, the vacuum can generate more power to pick up big particles or dirt. Also, the 2-in-1 design makes it convert to a hand vacuum easily for above floor cleaning with the crevice tool and 2-in-1 dusting brush. Powerful cordless design. 25.2V lithium-ion battery provides up to 55 minutes running time at low mode and 20 minutes at high mode. With longer running time while at the same time it cleans better than the leading competitors thanks to its powerful 150W DC motor, *** according to ASTM test method. Two-way foldable handle. With a touch of button, the handle folds for easy under furniture cleaning. And easy for storage. Converts to hand vacuum. By pressing a button, it converts to a hand vacuum easily for above floor cleaning. Swivel steering and motorized nozzle with LED lights. The motorized nozzle helps picking up from fine dust to big particles on floors, and the LED lights is perfect for cleaning dark corners. The swivel steering provides great maneuverability. Easy emptying dust cup. Press the release buttons to empty the dust cup easily. Hassle-free. Washable filters. Washable filters for stable suction and easy maintenance. Fingertip suction control. With a touch of button on handle, the vacuum adjusts its power for different cleaning purposes. Charging base. The charging base recharges the battery safely while also perfect for storage.